Welcome to Putin, the leading manufacturer of electric cargo tricycles that bring you efficient logistics solutions. From city streets to remote villages, Putin electric tricycles are adapted to all kinds of road conditions and can be easily transported wherever they are. The large capacity cargo hold and strong carrying capacity make our electric cargo tricycle ideal for transporting your large items. Featuring a reinforced frame with high-quality tires, our tricycles are not only durable, but also offer excellent safety, even for long periods of transport. Choose Putin to make logistics more efficient and convenient. Follow us soon for more product details.